How to add vanilla gift card to Cash App 2025 method. If you've ever tried to use a ** vanilla gift card on Cash App ***, you know it can feel more complicated than it should be. In 2025, Cash App continues to evolve, and many users are looking for simple ways to link prepaid cards for instant transfers, payments, or sending money to friends. The good news is, it's entirely possible, but there are some important steps, tips, and caveats you need to know. Most people get this wrong at first, and that's why we're breaking it down in detail today. Let's start with the ** basics ***. Vanilla gift cards are prepaid debit cards issued by major networks like Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. They can be used anywhere those networks are accepted. Cash App, on the other hand, is designed primarily for linking ** traditional debit cards or bank accounts ***, so using a prepaid card like vanilla sometimes requires extra steps or careful attention. The first thing to check before adding your vanilla gift card is the ** balance and activation ***. Make sure your card is activated by following the instructions on the back of the card, usually a phone number or website. If the card isn't activated, Cash App will reject it. Also, know your exact card balance. Cash App will often attempt an authorization for a small amount to verify the card, and if the balance is insufficient, it can fail. Once your card is activated and you know the balance, here's how to ** add it to Cash App ***. 1. Open the * Cash App ** on your phone. 2. Tap the * banking tab ***. It looks like a little bank or house icon at the bottom of the screen. 3. Tap ** add a bank ** or ** add card ** depending on your version. 4. Enter your vanilla gift card details exactly as they appear. ** card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code ***. This is crucial. Any typo will result in rejection. 5. After entering the details, tap ** add card ***. At this point, Cash App will try to verify the card. Most prepaid cards, including vanilla, may be declined if Cash App cannot verify it. Here's the ** trick that many users overlook ***. Vanilla gift cards often have a ** different billing zip code system ***. The zip code you enter must match the one you registered with vanilla when you activated the card. If you skip this, Cash App will decline the card even if there's sufficient balance. If the card is verified successfully, you'll see it linked under your Cash App payment methods. You can then use it to ** send money, pay for services, or transfer funds ***. But there are some ** limitations ** to be aware of. Vanilla gift cards are prepaid, so you can only spend up to the balance. Additionally, some transfers might be restricted for security reasons, especially if you haven't verified your Cash App account with a full bank account or ID. One ** common issue ** people encounter is the card not supported error. In 2025, Cash App has tightened security to prevent fraud and money laundering. To bypass this, ensure your vanilla gift card is ** network branded ** Visa, MasterCard, or Amex. Cards that are not branded or only meant for retail purchases usually won't work. Use the card for smaller amounts first. Large transfers may trigger Cash App security review, which can temporarily block transactions. If the card still fails, try linking it on the ** web version of Cash App ** rather than the mobile app. Occasionally, the app has glitches that prevent prepaid cards from verifying. Another tip for ** maximizing success ***. Some users have reported that registering the vanilla gift card on the card issuer's website with a billing address and name helps Cash App verify it. This is because Cash App attempts to match the card information against the network's database. If your card is registered with generic information, verification may fail. Let's walk through a ** real-world example ***. Suppose you have a vanilla Visa gift card with a $150 balance. You want to send $50 to a friend. 1. You add the card to Cash App, entering all details correctly, including the registered zip code. 2. Cash App verifies the card with a small temporary authorization, like $1. 3. Once verified, you select ** pay ***, enter your friend's hashtag, the amount $50, and choose your vanilla card as the funding source. 4. Confirm the payment. the $50 is deducted from your vanilla card, leaving $100 remaining for future transactions. It's important to note that ** fees may apply ** for certain transactions, while sending money to friends via linked bank accounts is usually free. Using a credit-based or prepaid card might incur a small fee, often 3%. In this scenario, your $50 transfer could cost $1.50, deducted from your card. Security is another key consideration. Since vanilla gift cards are prepaid, the ** don't offer full protection like a traditional bank account **. If your card is lost or stolen, recovering funds can be more difficult than with a standard debit card. Make sure to ** track your balance and keep the card information secure **. If you run into issues where Cash App declines the card repeatedly, there are a few troubleshooting steps. Double-check the card number, expiration, CVV, and zip code. Ensure the card has been activated with the issuer. Use the card for smaller transactions first to build trust with Cash App's verification system. Contact Vanilla's customer support to ensure the card is network-enabled for online transactions. If nothing works, you may need to use a different prepaid card or link a bank account instead. Finally, some users ask whether you can ** transfer the entire vanilla gift card balance to Cash App **. The answer is yes, but only indirectly. Cash App does not allow direct topping up of your Cash App balance with prepaid cards in all regions. However, you can make payments or send money using the card as a funding source. In some cases, after sending money to a trusted friend, you can have them transfer it back to your Cash App balance, effectively consolidating funds. But always be careful with this method and ensure it's someone you trust. To summarize, here's the ** step-by-step checklist for 2025 **. 1. Activate your vanilla gift card and confirm the balance. 2. Register the card with the issuer, including your billing zip code. 3. Open Cash App and go to ** banking add card **. 4. Enter all card details accurately. 5. Verify the card through the small authorization process. 6. Start using the card for payments or money transfers. 7. Monitor your transactions and fees carefully. By following these steps, you'll avoid the most common pitfalls and make full use of your vanilla gift card with Cash App in 2025. Most people get stuck at the verification step, but with the correct zip code and registration, it usually works seamlessly. So, the next time you want to use a ** prepaid vanilla gift card with Cash App **, remember these tips. It's all about activation, registration, and correct information. With these in place, you can send money, pay friends, and manage your prepaid funds without hassle. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to ** like, subscribe, and turn on notifications **. We'll keep bringing you the latest 2025 methods for Cash App, gift cards, and easy digital transactions.